In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a check in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through creating the check and sending it to your printer with tips to ensure a clean result. Start by opening QuickBooks and from the main screen, click the plus new button. From the options that appear, choose check. This opens a new check form. At the top, select the bank account you want to pay from. Picking the correct account is important because it controls check numbering, the running balance, and what prints on the check. Next, enter the payee exactly as you want it to appear on the check. Add the date you plan to mail or hand over the check so your register stays accurate. In the details area, decide whether to use category details or item details. Category is ideal for general expenses like utilities or office supplies posted to an expense account. Item details are better when you're paying for products or services you track by item. Fill in a clear description for your records, assign the correct account or item, and type the amount. Take a moment to review spelling, numbers, and any memo you want on the check stub. When everything looks good, click Save and Print to move directly into the printing flow. On the print screen, click Print Check. Before you continue, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer tray. Make sure it's oriented the right way for your printer and that you're using the correct style, such as voucher or standard checks. If you're unsure about alignment, it's smart to test on plain paper first and hold it against a blank check to confirm placement. In your printer settings, choose the correct printer, set the paper size to letter, and turn off any scaling so the layout doesn't shift. When you're ready, click Print. After it prints, compare the result to what you entered, payee name, date, amount, and the check number. If something looks off, stop and correct the details before printing another. Keep any misprints securely stored and void them according to your internal procedures. That's it. You created the check, chose the right bank account and details, and printed it onto your check stock for accurate records.